Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new project on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. New, if you want to create a new project, you can find a new project, the plus icon at the blue line at the bottom of the screen. Tap that. You can find your videos or photos. Just select a video, tap that, click to the add button, and you can find different options, how to add text, audio, how to add filters, how to adjust your video, and how to export. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.